Hi guys, my name is Osama Ahmed. I completed my master's in computational engineering from Germany, and today I will be showing you very briefly how to select or how to shortlist a bunch of universities for your application process. If you want to apply in engineering, management sciences, or let's say you want to apply in social sciences, right? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to a website. It's called daad.de. Over here, you can translate it to English. So go to information for foreigners, and they will be in the study programs. You can go to international programs. Just ignore this and you go to search. Over here you have a bunch of filters, so you have to apply the filters according to your preferences, right? So first of all, let's say we want to search for mechanical engineering because this is the most common engineering in Pakistan, right? So mechanical engineering. Then you can select the course type. If you want to study master or bachelor's, is entirely up to you. Field of study is engineering. The subject, you can choose power process engineering, mechanical engineering, mining, metallurgy. It all falls in mechanical engineering. Then the course language you want to select in English, right? Okay, over here you can see that there are 77 results that match your search criteria or the filters that you have already applied. If you come down, you will see that all the universities over here, all of these offer mechanical engineering. For example, this one here, it's a mechanical engineering in Lübeck. This one here is a mechanical engineering in Rheinwald University, that's in Kleve. This is RWTH Aachen. They also offer production or mechanical engineering, automotive. So if you come down over here, you will see that there are 7 other pages that will also display you the universities that are offering mechanical engineering or the disciplines which are closely related to mechanical engineering, right? So I won't go into the details. Rather, I will only tell you that if you look over here, there's a very brief description about the course that you have selected, right? So for example, this course at Lübeck, it's offered in English. The vacancies are open in summer semester as well as winter semester, and there are total 3 semesters, right? You can select another one. For example, this one is in Stuttgart. It's called Commerce. It has 4 semesters. The classes intake will start in winter semester, and the language medium is English. So right now what you can do, you can select all these universities. You can see all of them. You can make a list of all the universities where you want to send your application to, and what happens, how to apply, what is the what are the criteria, what is the admission requirements. We will talk about it in the next video. Thank you.